Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with the next chapter of the book Bistas, and the next chapter is the sixth chapter, and the name of the chapter is On the Face of It, which is written by Susan Hill. Okay, so before starting line-wise explanation, first of all, I would like to give you introduction of the chapter. This is a one act play having three scenes. Okay, On the Face of It is one act play having three scenes, and there are only two characters in this play. And first one is an old man named Mr. Lamb, and second one is a 14 years old boy named Diary. Both of them suffer from physical impairment. Both of them suffer from physical impairment. The old man has a tin leg because he got one of his legs blown off in the war, and the young boy Derry has one side of his face disfigured, and it was burnt by acid. It is the boy Derry who comes to the old man's garden. The boy is quite shy and a bit of defiant as well. Okay, and bit of defiant. It is the old man who strikes up a friendship with the boy and inspires him to make his life meaningful in spite of the handicap he suffers. The play also depicts the disappointment and loneliness of physical impaired person. The sense of alienation is more inconvenient than the physical disability. The writer wants to highlight in this chapter that the sense or the feeling of physical impairment is not sorrowful, but the attitude or the behavior of the people towards the physical impairment is the cause of his trouble. Okay, so this is the introduction of the chapter. Okay, so the main philosophy of this chapter is that the actual pain or inconvenience caused by a physical impairment is often less than the sense of alienation felt by the person with disabilities. Okay, so this is the main philosophy. ठीक है ना? A disabled person always needs friend, even more than a normal man does. Okay, he expects from the others to be treated on equal footing. It is not so much the kindness as the companionship that a disabled person needs. Okay, so this is the theme of the chapter. Okay, before you read, this is a play featuring an old man and a small boy meeting in the farmer's garden. Okay, means the play starts, this play On the Face of It starts with the meeting of an old man and a small boy, and both of them met in the garden of the old man. The old man strikes up a friendship with the boy. The old man strikes up a friendship with the boy who is withdrawn and defiant. Okay, the old man is Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb wanted to strike up a friendship. The old man, Mr. Lamb, wanted to strike up a friendship from the boy. Okay, but the boy is very withdrawn. Withdrawn means retiring. In other words, I would like to tell in Hindi words Sarmila. In Hindi, that is called Sarmila. Okay, and extremely quiet and shy. Withdrawn means extremely quiet and shy, not wanting to talk to other people. Okay, and defiant. Defiant means openly refusing to obey. Or you can say antarmukhi. What was the bond that unites both of them? Okay, what is the bond? What is the chain which unites both of them? Let us try to find out. Okay, scene 1. Mr. Lamb's garden. There is occasional sound of bird song and of tree leaves rustling. Okay, so the play starts from the garden of Mr. Lamb, and there is occasional sound of bird song. Okay, birds are singing there, and these sounds are coming occasionally, and the trees leaves rustling, and there is the rustling sound. There is the rustling sound of the trees, making a low sound, of the leaves. Okay, and dairy footsteps are heard as he walks slowly and experimentally. Okay, are hesitatingly, with hesitation. Okay, means everyone can hear the footsteps of dairy who is coming in the garden, and he is walking very slowly and tentatively means with hesitation. Okay, with hesitation, or in other words you can say experimentally, through the long grass, and he is coming through the long grass. He pauses, then walks again. He stops for 1 second, and then after he started walking. He comes around a screen of bushes. Okay, there is much more bushes, and he reached there. Dairy reached there. Okay, so that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand, and Dairy startled, surprise. Okay, and when Dairy reached very close to Mr. Lamb speaks to him, and Dairy gets surprised. Startled, surprise. Okay, let us see the conversation between Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is saying, mind the apples, be careful, boy, while you are walking, be careful about the apples. Dairy, who is that? Who is there? Okay, Dairy was surprised to find out any person, any man near him, because he was defiant, he was shy. Okay, and Mr. Lamb is saying that, boy, while you are walking, be careful about the apples. Dairy was surprised. What are you saying? Who is that? Who is there? He wanted to know. Mr. Lamb is my name. Mind the apples, crab apples, those are. Okay, and Lamb is saying that, boy, while you are walking, please mind the apples. Okay, these are the crab apples. Crab apples means wild bitter apples. Okay, wild bitter apples. These are the wild bitter apples. Okay, and wind falls in the long grass, you could trip. Okay, and these apples are blown down by the wind from the trees. By the wind. Okay, and you can trip on it. Okay, catch foot on something and fall. You can catch foot on it and you may fall. Okay, I means he wanted to say something, but he stopped. I thought this was an empty place, and Dairy is saying that I was thinking that there is no one at this place. I did not know there was anybody here. I was totally unacquainted that someone is present here. I was totally unknown that someone is present there. Mr. Lamb, all right. Mr. Lamb is saying that, all right, you are thinking well. I am here. What are you afraid of, boy? Okay, so it was noticed by Mr. Lamb that when Dairy is speaking, there is a fear, there is a fright, which can clearly be seen in his voice. So Mr. Lamb is asking, there is all right, yeah, everything is okay. I am here. What are you afraid of? Why are you afraid, boy? That is all right. Everything is okay. Dairy, I thought it was an empty house. Okay, I have already told you that Dairy did not like the company of anyone. Why he did not like the company of anyone? Because his one side face was burnt by acid, and wherever he goes, he is thinking that the people are talking about my face. This is the reason that he did not like the company of anyone. So Dairy is saying, I thought it was empty. Dairy is saying that I thought that this garden is empty, an empty house, and the house is also empty. Mr. Lamb, so it is, yes, it is empty. So it is, means yes, it is empty. Since I am out here in the garden, okay, the house is empty because I am out in the garden. Here I am in the garden, and the house is empty. It is, I am out here and likely to stop. I am out from the house and I like to stop here a day like this beautiful day. This is a very beautiful day, not a day to be indoors, and the day is so beautiful that I don't want to be in the house. Daddy panic. Okay, daddy panic. Okay, he panicked. I have got to go, and daddy said that I want to go. I want to go. Not on my account. And Mr. Lamb said that if you are going, but don't think that you are going due to me. You are going due to me. I don't mind who comes into the garden. I don't care about this, that who is coming in the garden. I don't care about all this. The gate is always open. The gate is always open for everyone. Only you climb the garden wall. Okay, the gate is always open for everyone, but you are the first person, you are the first boy who climbed the garden wall. Dairy angry. Dairy became angry. You were watching me. It means that you were seeing me. You were watching me, Mr. Lamb. I saw you. Yes, I have seen you. But the gate's open. But the gate is always open. All welcome. You are welcome. And I always welcome everyone. I sit here. I like sitting. I sit here because I like sitting here. Dairy, I just wanted to come in. Okay, Dairy said that I wanted to come into the garden. I wanted to come into the garden. Okay, Mr. Lamb. So you did. Yes, Mr. Lamb said that you wanted to come in the garden and you have come. You wanted to come in the garden and you have come here. Okay, Mr. Lamb. Here we are. Then what is the problem? Here we are means Mr. Lamb is identifying to himself and to Dairy. Here we are. What is the problem? Okay. Dairy, you don't know who I am. Dairy is saying that perhaps you don't know that who I am means you are totally unacquainted about me. You are not known about me. Mr. Lamb, a boy 13 or so. Dairy said, Mr. Lamb said that you are a boy almost 13 or 14 years old. You are a boy almost 13 or 13 years old. Almost 13 years old. Dairy 14. Dairy told that he was 14 years old. Patch. There was a patch. But I have got to go now. Goodbye. Okay. And he said, means Dairy said that I have got to go now. I am going now. Goodbye. Mr. Lamb, nothing to be afraid of. Just a garden, just me. And Mr. Lamb is saying that there is nothing from which you are afraid of here. Okay, just a garden. This is just a garden and just me. Nothing else. Dairy, but I am not. I am not afraid. I am not. Okay. Till now we are seeing that there is lack of confidence in the boy. Okay, because he is not speaking the full sentence. Okay, he's saying but I am not afraid. He's saying that no, I am not afraid. People are afraid of me. People are afraid of me. Okay, and Derek saying that I am not afraid from you, but the people are always afraid from me. Mr. Lamb, why should that be? What is the reason that people are afraid of you? Dairy, everyone is afraid of me. It does not matter who they are, and that does not matter that who they are or what they say, or what they say, or how they look, how they are looking, how they pretend, or how they are showing themselves. I know, I can see, I know very well, and I can see all these things. Mr. Lamb, what see? See what? What can you see, yaar? Okay, Dairy, what they think. Okay, I can see, I can understand what they are thinking. Mr. Lamb, what do they think then? Okay, tell me what the people think. Dairy, you think here is a boy. You will be thinking that here is a boy. You look at me. Okay, please look at me, and then you see my face, and then please see my face and you think, and then after think please. That is a bad. You will think that this is a bad face. That is a terrible thing, and you will think that the face is very terrible. Okay, underneath you are afraid, and at all you are afraid. Anybody would be, and anyone who will see my face, he will be afraid. I am. Anybody would be. I am. Okay. When I look in the mirror, I am also afraid. There is saying that I am also afraid to see my face. When I look in the mirror and see it, when I stand before the mirror and look my face in the mirror, okay, and see it, I am afraid of me. I get afraid from me. I get afraid from me. Mr. Lamb, no, not the whole of you. Yeah, not the whole face of you is burnt. Okay, not of you, and you are not burnt. There is yes. Pause. Mr. Lamb, later on. When it is a bit cooler, I will get a ladder, and later on, and here you will find that Mr. Lamb has changed the topic. Why? The boy was talking about his face. The boy was talking about his face because the face of the boy was burned from the acid, and it was the consideration, it was the view of the boy that the people are always afraid of him. After seeing his face, the people get afraid. Okay, and wherever he goes, the people talks about his face. Okay, and he has told all these things to Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is saying that you are not whole of you. You are not perfectly burned, and you are not burned. Only your one side face is burned. You are perfect. You are whole. Okay, Mr. Lamb. Later on, and here you will see that Mr. Lamb has changed the topic. Later on, when it is a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and a stick and pull down those crab apples. Okay, and Mr. Lamb told to Derry that when it is bit cooler, okay, when it is a bit cold, he collect a stick and a ladder, and he pluck the crab apples, wild apples. Okay, they are ripe for it. Okay, and now these apples are ripen. Okay, these apples ripen. Okay, I make jelly. Okay, and it is a good time, and I make jelly. It is a good time of the year September, and this is the month of September, and this is the good time for making the jelly. Look at them, orange and golden. Look at those apples, they are of orange colors and golden colors. That is a magic fruit, and that fruit is magical fruit. I often say, and I often tell to the people that this is the magical fruit, but it is best picked, period, and it should be picked and made into jelly, and jelly should be made. You could give me a hand if you like. You can help me, Derry. What have you changed the subject for? Okay, Derry was talking about his face, but Mr. Lamb has changed the topic. So the boy Derry is asking, what is the reason that you have changed the subject? People always do. People always change the subject. Why do not you ask me? What is the reason that you are not asking from me? Why do you do what they all do and pretend it? Why are you doing the same thing as is done by the other person? Why are you doing the same thing as is done by the other person? In case I see you looking and mind. In case I see you looking and mind and get upset. Okay, let us see. Why do you do all that do and pretend it is not true? It is not there. Okay, Derry is asking that what is the reason that you are pretending to show something different, and he is giving example. Suppose that I am staring at you. I see you means I am staring at you. I am looking at you, and I mind it, and I become upset after seeing your face. I will tell. And Derry is saying that I am telling you. Don't ask me. I know that you are not going to ask from me because you are afraid of. Okay, because you are afraid, so you are not going to ask. Derry, Mr. Lamb, you want me to ask? You want that I should tell you? I should ask? Say, please explain. Then Derry, I don't like being with the people. Derry is saying that I don't like the company of any people. I should say to look, Mr. Lamb, I should say to look at it. I should say you got burnt. Oh, after seeing towards your face, I can guess that perhaps your face is burnt in a fire. Derry, not in fire. Derry is saying that no, my face is not burnt in fire. I got acid all down that side of my face. Okay, and the acid had fallen on that side of my face, and it burnt it all away. Okay, and my one side face was burnt. It ate up my face. Okay, and the acid has eaten up my face. Okay, it ate me up. Okay, and this acid has not only eaten my face, but this has eaten me also. Here Derry wants to say that due to his face he cannot go anywhere, he cannot face anyone. Okay, means to say there is lack of confidence in the boy, and Lamb is trying to fill confidence in the boy. which he is lacking, and the boy is unable to face the society with his burnt face, but lamb wanted to tell him that the face does not have much more value, the face does not have much more value, okay. We should have confidence and we should face the world. And now it is like this, and it would not ever be any different, okay. And he is saying that my face is burnt by acid, and it has not only eaten my face but also it has eaten me okay. And my face will remain same, and that will never change, okay. Mr. Lamb, no. Mr. Lamb is saying this, no, your face will not change. Derry, are you not interested? Derry is asking that, are you not interested in my face? Mr. Lamb, you are a boy who came into the garden, okay. You are a boy who came into the garden, okay. You are a boy and you have came in my garden. Plenty do. So many boys always come in my garden. I am interested in anybody, and I am interested in anyone, anything. There is nothing God made that does not interest me. And Mr. Lamb is saying that everything which is created by God is always the cause of interest for me. Everything which is created by God is always the cause of interest for me. Look over there, okay. Look over there, over beside for the wall, okay. Look at that side, over beside the far wall. At the distance you are seeing a wall, okay. What can you see, and what can you see there, okay guys. Thank you, and have a nice day. We will deal line to line next day. We will explain line to line next day, okay guys. Thank you, have a nice day.